John Crestani here, internet marketer and 2 Comma Club award winner with ClickFunnels, which means I've made millions of dollars setting up funnels with ClickFunnels. I'm going to be going over what it is, how it works, who it's useful for, how much it costs. So first off, what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a program for building website funnels. Now, most people out there are using websites. They don't just visit one single page. You might go visit the home page, and you might want some pictures of the product or the people using it. Then you might go on to collect their email, and then you might go on to actually have them, purchase the product after you've collected their email and sent them some information about your product or services. Funnels are basically talking about, it's sort of like a real funnel is when somebody first comes to a website, what they are looking for, they're doing research typically. Whether you are trying to learn how to lose weight, or whether you're trying to learn how to make your skin look more beautiful, or maybe you're looking to figure out which gun to purchase for home defense, or maybe you're interested in how to correctly do the interior design for your home. Whatever you're doing, you're generally doing research in the beginning. And then later on, once you've done a little bit of research, you want to know what are products or services, or maybe you have more specific information of what to figure out. Maybe once you've decided, okay, for home defense, I want a shotgun. Now, what shotgun do I purchase, right? So then you're getting a little bit more into what I call high intent research, meaning you're a little more focused, you have a little better understanding of what you want. You're saying, okay, for home defense, I don't want a baseball bat, I don't want a pistol, I want a shotgun. Then you're saying, which are the types of shotguns? There's 10 types. And then finally, at the end of the funnel, people are looking for a product to purchase, or a phone number to call, or a form to fill out, or a software to sign up for a free trial for. And typically, this is where people are making a product decision and spending money. And to get people from the research phase of looking for products or services all the way down to the purchase phase, it takes a couple different steps. And usually those couple different steps, you can create a website funnel. Take people who are at the basic point of doing research, or whatever it is, to getting the actual money, which is where you as an internet marketer make money. That's what funnels are. So we kind of spoke about that. Now, the features of ClickFunnels I'm going to discuss, but ClickFunnels has a lot of features specifically for what we call direct response marketers. For people like me who are designing websites that are going to make us money. I'm not designing websites so I can have a pretty place to, to blog and just to show off some information or show off some cool things to friends or family. I'm building a website to make money. And my guess is so are you. And if you're building a website to make money, ClickFunnels is there to help you out every step of the way. I'll go over those in my computer in just a bit. ClickFunnels also has a lot of integrations so that you can actually run your business kind of all in one place. And that's really cool. Whether you want to actually collect money, you can integrate ClickFunnels with PayPal. You can integrate PayPal with your website so that people actually pay you money on your website. You can collect email addresses. You can host YouTube videos or put up other videos on your website. You can create photo galleries from other sites. You can integrate Facebook comments. There's all sorts of things you can do with the integrations, and I'll talk about that in a little bit. You can also use ClickFunnels to do split testing and test different styles of web pages to make money from, and look at numbers and be able to really run your internet business so you understand what people like and what people don't like. Now, the famous management consultant Peter Drucker has a very famous quote, which is, you can only manage what you measure. Let's say somebody like me doing YouTube videos, I'm looking to see, what do you like the most? What is the most engaging topics that I can talk about? And if I talk about a topic that really nobody's interested in, I used to try to talk about data analysis and how to determine statistical significance in online advertising networks. Nobody's interested. Nobody wants to watch that. But if I talk about how to make money on YouTube, that works out a lot. And if I want to become rich and successful, I need to be doing more of what's working and less of what's not working. This is just plain Jane fact of adding value. Now, it may seem like a boring thing, but the fact that ClickFunnels allows you for a very cheap price to actually do all of that and look at what's working and what's not working and all of the numbers behind it, it means that you can run your entire business through ClickFunnels and make a multi-million-dollar business just with the data within ClickFunnels. Very exciting stuff. Now, the other great thing about ClickFunnels is they include a lot of training within it. They have mini documentaries, they have training series, they have webinars. They have so much training in there for anybody looking to create websites or learn how to do this. I mean, that alone is worth the price of admission, which we're going to go over in a second. And lastly, they have a great affiliate program with lots of different offers and ebooks and webinars and software services that you can offer to people and make money from. So ClickFunnels actually pays me more than $10,000 more than what I spend with ClickFunnels every month, simply because they have a great affiliate program and I recommend them out to others. And so can you once you're a member of ClickFunnels. So first off, ClickFunnels, the cost is not cheap, and the cost is actually $97 a month. But if you're running an internet business, it's almost invaluable. And I'll go over the pros and cons in just a second here. So $97 a month gives you access to all of this stuff, the training and everything. Now I'm going to go into the pros and cons, and then I'm going to start showing you some of the stuff of how it works here on my computer. The biggest plus of ClickFunnels from my perspective is that it requires no code whatsoever. It's totally built for non-technical people. Most people who got started in the internet and made a lot of money, like Elon Musk and Bill Gates and Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, they know how to program. They're very smart, smarter than the average bear. They can do all sorts of things with code. Now, if you want to build a website, my guess is if you're watching my channel, you don't really know much about technical aspects or how to code or whatever, and that's fine. Neither did I when I got started. And being able to have a website builder that requires no code but allows you to do advanced marketing things is a very powerful thing. So that's one of the other things. The next thing is easy UI. And UI stands for user interface. So having an easy user interface means that you can very easily just navigate around. You don't need to be an expert to actually set up websites. It just helps you out. Again, just being simple is one thing, but being able to figure out the platform is a whole other thing entirely. And ClickFunnels really focuses on these two things in a massive fashion. Next is they have what's called DFY, done for you templates and websites. Let's say you just want to change some text around. A lot of the websites ClickFunnels has are built for you. So all you have to do is go in and change the text, change the images. You just click and substitute image, etc. And I'll show you all that stuff in a second. And last but not least, they have great integrations, which you can run your entire business through ClickFunnels. Now, the negatives, the cons of ClickFunnels are a few things. One is $97. Anybody who's living in America or United Kingdom or Australia can afford $97 a month if it's gonna, add some sort of benefit to them. Everybody's paid more than $97 a month, and if you're running a website and you're selling a product or a service, you should be able to make that work, but people in foreign countries can't really make that work. The second con is that it can be slow at very high traffic volumes. Now, because it's built with the beginner in mind, because it's built to help people go from 0 to 10 million, it's great for that. But as your websites get more and more traffic, my websites get almost 2 million people visiting them every single month. ClickFunnels gets bogged down by how much traffic I get to my web businesses. It just can be very slow, and you'll want to eventually transition to Amazon AWS for your landing pages. But that's even more expensive for the average person, and you need to have a full-time developer to really make use of Amazon to AWS. Okay, now here we are inside of ClickFunnels, and as you can see, there's a lot of options, a lot of things you can do, but let's start with the actual funnels themselves, which are actually located right up here where it says ClickFunnels, and we can select our funnels here, but you also see there's a lot of other options, such as you can have contacts stored within ClickFunnels, so you don't need to use a separate program. You can see the revenue, you can track revenue and actually charge people money for products or services within ClickFunnels. You can actually buy other people's funnels, or you can sell funnels in the funnel marketplace. So there's a lot of stuff there, but for now, we're going to concern ourselves with the actual funnels themselves. So as you see, over the course of the years, I've built lots of funnels. I've built lots of websites through ClickFunnels, and they make it really easy to copy and paste and build new funnels. It's so easy to build websites. There's no reason not to be doing it. So here we are in one of the funnels that I built to be an affiliate, because what I do for a living is I sell other people's products for a living. I help other companies get customers, and they pay me to generate new customers for them. So full disclosure, I'm an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and every time somebody works with ClickFunnels, I get 40% commission. But that being said, I use ClickFunnels every day, so I'm not just recommending it because I'm an affiliate. I'm recommending it because it's an amazing program, and I use it, and this has been able to really just change my life, my career, because I don't need to know websites, and the UI is so easy. I wouldn't use anything else even if it was offered to me. So, and all of the other software programs have affiliate programs too. So here's a page that is built in ClickFunnels, which is a quiz page. It's a battery reconditioning program. Instantly bring any old battery back to life again is the headline. Now, here we'll start seeing some of the features that makes ClickFunnels so great. Is you'll see I actually have a quiz here. This is not a standard website feature right here. We can say this: do you know anyone who works for a battery manufacturing company or a company that manufactures? So I'll say no. Do you believe the only way to deal with the battery is to buy a new overpriced one from a big battery company? Yes. Have you struggled with an old battery company? Yes. We'll just click a couple things. It'll say analyzing your results. Then it will say, it gives people some rules in order to see the product that I am selling. So you'll see it says, okay, accept these rules. This is pretty complex. This is 5 different steps. You have to read a lot of different stuff, but it makes a lot of sense for people who are in this market. And you click that, and then you're brought over to the product, which I am an affiliate for. And this is no longer my website. But what you did is you went through 5 different web pages that explain, basically talking about reconditioning an old battery and seeing if somebody's a good fit. So I got people through 5 different websites using a quiz funnel, which is something you can't do very easily on WordPress, and I got them over to an affiliate site. Pretty cool, pretty slick, and what's even better is I can share this page. If you also want to use this page, I can share this with you, and I'm going to show you how you can get a copy of this exact funnel at the end of this video, so that if you want to start using ClickFunnels and you want to start marketing other people's products specifically, you can use this funnel, which is already working and making me money every single month. You can use it as well. I'll give you the link closer to the end of this video. Now, another really neat thing about ClickFunnels is the statistics. So you'll see on every page, they have your steps, which are your funnel steps, and then you have a tab which says statistics. Allow you to figure out what's working, what's not working, how many people are visiting your sites, etc. Or even how much money you're collecting. Now, I don't use ClickFunnels to actually collect money. I'm working with ClickBank and Digistore. But you'll see right here, I can see at a glance how many people visited my website in the last week. And for this particular page, we can see 5,000 people visited this website and 14,000 people visited this website. So very easily, I can actually get an idea of how many people are visiting my websites. And if you are using ClickFunnels integrations with different payment providers, you can see how many people are opting into your website. You can also see how much money you're making from the people that are coming to your website. So you can see a lot more information if you become a power user of ClickFunnels, and you can see it all in ClickFunnels. You can run your entire business through ClickFunnels, and I know a lot of people who do. Now, I can't leave this out, which is email lists. Now, you can set up email lists through ClickFunnels, through what are called follow-up funnels, and you can set up broadcasts and autoresponders. You can do everything you want through ClickFunnels. Anything that's made to market a business, essentially, if you're running a business where you're selling products or you're selling your service or generating leads, whatever you're doing, you can do it all through ClickFunnels. And they're actually built, they're specifically built to support those types of businesses which are trying to make money from their website, or companies that are trying to get people contacting them from their website. This will take your business to the whole other level, and working with a company that specializes in that is very profitable. Now, all of us need training to figure out how to use the internet to make money. This is the mastermind I'm a part of. I spent $100,000 to join a mastermind for a year to learn from people that are more successful than me, to learn how to just make more money and be more successful in business. So I invest a lot of money in my education each year. I invest way more than this in my education because I'm always trying to learn from people who are more successful than me. And if you want to be successful in business, I suggest you learn from people who are more successful than you and learn about the programs you're working with. And ClickFunnels has all sorts of materials, as you'll see, to help you become more successful. They have their success path, they have documentaries, they have videos about building funnels, they have videos about how to actually write web pages that make a lot of sense to people and make people want to buy. They have videos on to help you get more people to your website. They have so much stuff to really help you make money here. And you'll see right here, they have just a ton of content. They have their 30-day challenge, which is pretty exciting. They have 30 videos, which will help you over the course of 30 days get started in business. Get your first dollars coming in. They have everything you need to get started. And I've been through the challenge before, and it's awesome, and it really helps you even as a business owner and somebody who's making a lot of money. The challenge is a really good thing to help you just really start your business and get your websites up and really use that form of leverage, which we call the internet, to just start making money and selling stuff. So I suggest you go through the 30-day challenge. If you're interested in going through the boot camp, there should be a link down below in the description which goes over the 30-day boot camp to help you get started. Now, last but not least is ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels is a great company to work with to actually earn money and have them pay you. And when you work with ClickFunnels, you're essentially helping people get information on how to start businesses online, or you're helping them by recommending their software to people to use to start their own online business. And you get monthly recurring commissions. So that means you get a customer and you earn money for life, which is pretty exciting. And that's the real trick of how to build a stable income in the kind of very unstable internet marketplace. So what you'll see right here is you earn about 40% recurring commission, which means you earn about $40 per month. Now, the other great thing about ClickFunnels is they'll pay for your car. Now, once you get 100 members in, which means you're earning about $4,000 a month, which means you can basically earn a full-time income off of ClickFunnels, they're actually going to also buy you a car. And they'll put as much as $1,000 down towards your car. So now you're working with a company, they're paying you, they're paying for your car. There's a lot of perks to working with ClickFunnels, and they have a lot of materials to help you be successful. So here's an example of some of my earnings. As you see, I've earned over $177,000. With ClickFunnels, I earn $100 to $200 every day like clockwork with ClickFunnels. It's just a program that works very well. And you see they have a ton of different programs that you can advertise. They have the One Funnel Away Challenge and the ClickFunnels program and the book, and they have a book bundle and more books and all this sort of stuff, that different ways that you can advertise. And they have a lot of help, they have a lot of support to help you advertise that, a lot of trainings to help you become successful. And there's a lot of people that are earning full-time incomes as a ClickFunnels affiliate. A lot of people getting cars, a lot of people making a lot of money with ClickFunnels. I know people who've made millions of dollars just by recommending ClickFunnels. I know people who have had no audience to speak of, but they've been able to get people signing up for ClickFunnels and earning a consistent income. So the opportunity here is really exciting. Woo! So I hope you learned a little bit about ClickFunnels, how it works, the ins and outs of the interface, and figured out whether or not it's a good decision for you. Now, if you feel like this is something that you want to use to build your websites and really get started using the power of the internet, check out below